What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's past already, but I still want to say Eid Mubarak, Taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum ajma'in to every Muslims. I love you all so much, and do not forget to fast your Sita Shawwal. In today's video, we will be doing a fantastic foamy fountain, also known as Elephant toothpaste. So what do we need? A 16-ounce of plastic soda bottle or water bottle, a 20 volume hydrogen peroxide. So there's two types of hydrogen peroxide. There's one of 3% and there's another one of 6%. The one of 3% is the ones that like you can get in the pharmacy store that are used for the wounds when you get injured. Those are easily, you can get those easily. The 6% ones are the one they use for the hair. So this one here is 6% hydrogen peroxide. So 6% is more preferable for a better reaction. All beauty stores are closed, so you have to like order it online, because I ordered it online and it took a long time to get to my house, and that's why I had to postpone my video date. We need a dry yeast. We're not using all of this, so we're just leaving like 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. So we'll take out of this. And a funnel, food coloring, a spoon, a cup with a little bit of water, soap. So we need a little bit of this. So yeah, we need safety goggles, not compulsory though. Safety goggles. And if you are a kid, you might need an adult help. This is all we need, and let's go to the experiment. Ooh. Okay, now so we take the water bottle and the hydrogen peroxide and we put it inside the bottle. So now we'll put the soap inside the hydrogen peroxide. That should be good. Now mix that. Let's put a little bit more. Okay, so now you take the water and you put 1 tablespoon full of dry yeast inside the water. And mix it up. Now we'll put the food coloring. So we'll put the food coloring inside the hydrogen peroxide. Yeah, so that's done. When you put the food coloring, now we need the safety goggles, and you might need a funnel. Okay, now let's put it inside. You mix it up and put it inside and get a reaction. Let's get as close to the side. It's a bit slower than I expected. Okay, it's coming. Wow. Yeah, so that's an elephant toothpaste. Yeah, so it's still coming out. It's a bit slower than I expected, but yeah. And you all should go try it out too. It can be like, you know, you all should go try it too, and you might be better than me. So yeah, go try it too. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. And my name is, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you all in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Kamsahamnida. Annyeong.